Hello, I'm Debbie Way, Vice President of MLS Administration for Canopy MLS. This Matrix Minute is to explain the enhancements to listing broker attribution, which is applicable to displays of other brokers' listings on IDX and VOW brokerage websites and mobile apps. Effective September 13th, 2022, the Canopy MLS rules and regulations have been updated to comply with the National Association of Realtors revisions to the Internet Data Exchange and Virtual Office website rules and policies. Listing broker attribution has been part of the IDX rules from the start. For example, when you see the phrase listing courtesy of ABC Realty or similar language on displays of listings on brokerage websites or mobile apps. The revisions to the IDX and VOW rules and policies require the addition of the email or phone number provided by the listing participant, who is typically the broker in charge of the office, supplied in data feeds from the MLS to vendors who create brokerage websites and mobile apps. The rationale for this change is that listing broker attribution with contact information provides a more accurate representation to the public about the listing and improves the public's ability to seek additional property details. To comply, Canopy MLS is implementing 3 new fields and options in Matrix. The first field is called Attribution Type. This field is only available to the member participant of the office on the office roster page. The default is agent choice. The next field is named Attribution Type Listing. This field is available to subscribers on the Listing Add Edit page. The default is List Agent Email. The other new field is named Attribution Contact. This field is behind the scenes in that it is auto-populated with the contact information specified by the 2 attribution type fields. It is supplied in data feeds, not displayed in Matrix. The next few slides will demonstrate step-by-step instructions for member participants and subscribers to change the default settings in these fields. First, let's look at the attribution type field that is editable by member participants. If you are the member participant and would like to change the default settings in the office attribution type field for all listings assigned to your office, follow these instructions that I'm about to share with you. The attribution type field is located on the office roster page and is editable by the member participant with the following options. Only one of these options can be selected. Agent choice is the default value. And then you also have office phone, office email, listing agent phone, listing agent email, or none is an option. If the member participant of the office edits the office attribution type field and chooses an option other than agent choice, Matrix will override and correct the listing subscriber's selection to match the member participant's choice. Then the attribution contact field will be updated with the corresponding contact information. If the member participant later changes back to agent choice, subscribers will need to reselect their preferred contact option in the listing attribution type for each listing. So definitely use caution if you're the member participant and choosing to make a change to the office attribution type field. If you're the member participant and would like to change the office attribution type field, follow these instructions. Go to www.canopymls.com using your internet web browser and click Login. After clicking to log in, you will see the new Canopy MLS login page. Once you're logged in, click on Matrix on the new Canopy MLS dashboard. Next, you'll click on Listing Add Edit. And then you'll click on Edit Existing Office Roster. Next, enter your office ID and click Modify. Then click on Office Syndication. Choose your selection within the attribution type field. And don't forget the most important step of all. Click on Submit Office. That's what saves your work. Remember to use caution. If the member participant of the office edits the office attribution type field and chooses an option other than agent choice, Matrix will override and correct the listing subscriber's selection to match the member participant's choice. Then the attribution contact field will be updated with the corresponding contact information. If the member participant later changes back to agent choice, subscribers will need to reselect their preferred contact option in the listing attribution type for each listing. Next, we'll walk through how subscribers can edit the attribution type listing field. The attribution type listing field is located in Listing Add Edit, and this field is edited by subscribers only if the member participant has selected agent choice. Agent choice means that when an agent enters a listing, they'll be presented with a drop-down menu of these options and can select one of the following options for display: list agent preferred phone, list agent email, and that's the default value, co-list agent preferred phone, co-list agent email, team preferred phone, team email, office phone, office email, and none is also an option. We've tried to think of every conceivable contact choice a subscriber might want to have on their listing. If your member participant selected agent choice and you would like to edit the attribution type listing field, follow these step-by-step instructions. Follow the same steps for logging into Matrix by going to www.canopymls.com and logging in. Then click on Matrix on the new Canopy MLS dashboard, and then click on Listing Add Edit. At this point, you'll choose your listing, whether you are inputting a new listing or modifying an existing listing, and click Edit. If you selected to input a new listing, you will need to choose the listing type, whether it is single family, condo townhouse, another property type, or one of our comp sale types at the bottom of the list. Next, choose the Agent and Office Information tab, and then make your change in the Attribution Type listing field. And don't forget the last step to click on Submit Listing. That's what saves your work. Remember, subscribers only have the ability to choose a different option in the Listing Attribution Type field if your member participant permits agent choice, which is the default setting for each office, unless the MP changes the office attribution type field to a different option. The default setting in the listing attribution type is list agent email. Unless you'd prefer different contact information appearing with your listings on brokerage websites than the list agent email, then there's really nothing you need to do. If you need support, contact AJ Suleiman at 704-940-3159 and dial option 3, or email data@canopyrealtors.com. You can also read the article we've posted in the Canopy MLS knowledge base titled Enhancements to Listing Broker Attribution, coming September 13th, 2022. And as always, you can access the Canopy MLS rules and regulations from the resources page in Matrix and also in the Canopy MLS knowledge base. Thank you.